National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Gilpin County, northwestern Jefferson County until 2:30 p.m. At 1:39 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Black Hawk, or 27 miles west of Denver, moving east at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Of abuse of, and it sounds very
Damage to roof, siding, and trees.
Underwater Odyssey, that was in August of 2021.
This is no all hazards radio.
Say sewer.
Fall is occurring with this storm.
Counters and sinks. They really.
Well, Jonas Griffin. The reviews too. Go watch Echo Miller.
Para continuar.
On Morash, in for Nick Costos.
Return.
Un seguro privado podría calificar completely unaware of the nutritional deficiencies causing poor health. Our host and guest.
You're a hypocrite.
Neither nor. I didn't even